Hello and welcome to another ENS website training video for ZENCIL. Today we're going to be looking at an advanced tutorial on how you can anchor content on your web page. For instance, if you create 5 headers and you have a lot of content underneath these headers and you'd like your user to be able to select the header and once selected, for the page to jump down to the actual paragraph and content containing to that header. This is called anchoring content on your web page. In order to do this, let's first create some content that we can anchor on our page. Select Change Text. I'm going to copy and paste some information that I already have on my text editor here. I'm going to select all of this and just copy and paste it to the editor. So moving up to the top of our text editor, we can see a number of different headers here, and each of these is retaining to a paragraph with the header title underneath. So say for instance, I would like a user to be able to select header number 5 and for my page to jump right down to where they can read header number 5 quite easily. In order to do this, we must first place an anchor beside the header number 5. You can find the anchor button on the top of our icons of our text editor. Select Insert Edit Anchor. Let's give it the name number 5. Select OK. We will now notice this yellow icon that appears beside the header icon here. This will indicate that a new anchor has been placed beside this header. All we now need to do is to link this header content here to that actual anchor. To do this, let's highlight header number 5, move to the Insert Edit link, which can be found on the top of our navigation bar. Select Insert Edit Link. We've already looked at adding a URL link. Now let's look at adding a link to an anchor in this page. Select Anchor in this page. We can here now see that we've created anchor number 5, which we can select. You can leave the by element ID to itself. We'll only be looking at changing it by anchor name. Let's select OK. We will now notice that it's become highlighted. Let's save this to our web page and see how it looks. Now when we scroll down, we'll see that this header number 5 is highlighted in a darker color. Once you scroll over, you will be able to click on this, and this will push you right down to the header number 5 and you can read the text more easily. This saves the user having to scroll the whole way down to your actual header. You can similarly do this for all the other headers so that you can have a number of clickable links at the top of your page, so when a user can just simply click on these and be taken directly to the particular content area. Thank you for tuning in. That's how you anchor different header titles to content in your actual web page. We hope to hear from you again at another ENS ZENCIL website training video.